Muslims, they start practicing instead of trying to raise their standard, instead of having some focus in life. What does the first guy do when he starts practicing? All of us are guilty of the same. What do you do? First thing that you do is that, now you start practicing, and then you start causing disunity in the Muslim community. Disunity. Now you start you're talking about Salah. Oh, Salah. Bro, your Salah is not Sahih. Your Salah is not Sahih. What kind of community are you? 1400 years and you can't sort out your Salah? Because that's the level, intellectual level that you're at. The Prophet ﷺ said that Allah will take ilm up بِقَبْضِ الْعُلَمَاءِ حَتَّى لَمْ يُبْقِ عَالِمًا وَإِتَّخَذَ النَّاسُ رَؤُوسًا جُهَالًا فَسُئِلُوا فَفْتَوْا بِغَيْرِ الْعِلْمِ. He said Allah will not snatch ilm up, but He will take ilm up with the taking up of the ulama. حَتَّى لَمْ يُبْقِ عَالِمًا اتَّخَذَ النَّاسُ رَؤُوسًا جُهَالًا. They will take the most ignorant people as their leaders. فَسُئِلُوا فَفْتَوْا بِغَيْرِ الْعِلْمِ. And the people, because they will be even more ignorant than the people that they're asking, they will ask the question. They will ask him a question. And he will give a fatwa, faftaw. But the Messenger of Allah said, because he's a jahil, he'll give a fatwa without ilmin. Dallu wa adallu. He's astray himself and he will leave other people astray. That's where we are today. 1400 years, you haven't sorted out your salah. You don't want to deal with issues which really impact you, that your children, are leaving the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That issues like Islamic economics, the issues which, are social issues. Nobody speaks about those. You go to the vast majority of our masajid, the Jummah khutbah, the Imam has never ever spoken about drug dealing in the issue, in our communities. Why? Because, the chacha or the mama of that drug dealer is sitting in the congregation, and he don't want to upset him, because after salah he'll come to the mosque committee and say, your Imam Sahib insulted me, we were sitting there. Yeah, but you didn't insult the entire community when your nephew was drug dealing and making our children crackheads. That wasn't an issue, but you get offended. But this is at the intellectual level that the Muslim community is at.